Hello there! Welcome to English Story Cottage, where you learn English with simple stories. Today, I'm here to plan a special surprise for my daughter, Sophia. Tomorrow is her birthday, and I want to surprise her with a luxury car. There are many cars here. Some cars look very fast.
Good morning. Welcome. How can I help you today?
Good morning. Yes, please. I'm looking for a special car for a special day.
That sounds exciting. Is it for an event or a celebration?
Yes, it's for my daughter's birthday. I want to surprise her.
That's very nice. We have many cars here. Are you looking for something simple or something more exciting?
Something exciting, but also comfortable.
Please follow me. I'll show you some of our most special cars.
Thank you. There are so many beautiful cars here.
Yes, this showroom has cars from many famous brands.
I've never seen so many luxury cars in one place.
Many people feel the same when they come here for the first time. Let me show you a few options, and you can see which one feels right.
That would be great. I'm excited to see them.
This is a Bugatti. It's one of the fastest cars in the world.
Wow, it looks very powerful.
Yes, it is. It's also very expensive and usually rented for very short drives.
It's amazing, but it feels a bit too much for me.
That makes sense. Let me show you another option that might suit you better. This is a Ferrari. It's sporty, stylish, and very popular.
I like the design. It looks elegant.
Yes, many people love it for special events.
It's very nice, but I'd like to see a few more options.
This is a Porsche. It's smooth, modern, and easy to drive.
It looks calm and classy.
Yes, it's great for long drives and relaxed trips.
I like it, but I want something more exciting.
This is a Lamborghini. It's bold, exciting, and very special.
Wow, this one is beautiful.
Many people choose this car for surprises and celebrations.
I love the color. It feels fun and full of energy.
It's also very popular for birthdays.
This is the one. My daughter will love this car.
Excellent choice. Shall I prepare it for tomorrow?
Yes, please. I want to surprise her when I pick her up from school.
That will be a wonderful surprise, and I'm sure your daughter will be very happy.
Thank you. I'm very excited. I'm glad I chose that car. Sophia is going to be so surprised tomorrow. She has been so excited about her birthday. I hope this makes her happy.
You look happy. What did you do today?
I planned something special for Sophia's birthday.
What is it? Tell me, what special surprise did you prepare for Sophia?
Tomorrow, I'll pick her up from school in a very special car.
A special car? That sounds like a big surprise.
Yes, I want to see her smile.
She will be very surprised, and I'm sure she will be very happy. All right, everyone, school is over for today. You may pack your bags and go home safely.
Today is my birthday. Mom and Dad did not say anything this morning. Maybe they forgot. I thought they would wish me happy birthday.
It's okay. Maybe they are planning something.
Or maybe they really forgot my birthday this year.
Here is the yellow Lamborghini you selected. Everything is ready for you.
Thank you. It looks even more beautiful today.
The price for today's rental is $500 for the day.
That sounds fine. It's for a very special occasion.
Would you like to keep the car until tomorrow evening?
Yes, that would be perfect. I need it to pick up my daughter from school and spend some time with her.
I hope your daughter enjoys the surprise.
I'm sure she will. Thank you for your help. Sophia is going to be so surprised when she sees this. Today will be a very special birthday for her.
Mom is not here yet. Maybe she is stuck in traffic. Wow, this car is so cool.
Hi, Sophia.
Mom? Is that you?
Yes. Happy birthday, my love.
Is this really for us?
Yes. I wanted to surprise you.
This is the best surprise ever!
Come on, open the door and get in carefully.
Mom, this car is amazing!
I know. I wanted today to be special for you.
I really didn't expect this. I thought you forgot my birthday.
Oh no, my dear. I would never forget your birthday.
You really surprised me, Mom. This is the best surprise ever.
You deserve something special, Sophia. You are growing up so fast.
Thank you so much for doing this for me.
Seeing you happy makes me happy too, Sophia.
Dad, Mom surprised me. She picked me up from school in this amazing car.
I can see that. Happy birthday, Sophia.
Thank you, Dad. Today was such a wonderful surprise.
I'm glad you liked it. I wanted to make your birthday special.
You both look very happy. That's what matters most.
Come on, let's go inside. We still have cake waiting for you. Today was a very special day for our family. It was not just about a beautiful car, but about love happiness, and making memories together. I hope this story helped improve your English and made learning enjoyable.
Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple English stories.
See you in the next story!